So here we have a Nissan Qashqai, and I'm going to show you today. You see on the dash here we've got the airbag warning light flashing. So the clock spring underneath here has failed, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery. So next we need to remove the airbag, and there's two little holes either side of the steering wheel. I'm not sure if I could get the angle right, but basically what you do is you take a screwdriver and insert it sideways, and there's a spring clip. You push against it and then the airbag starts removing, and there's one on this side as well there. Okay, so there's the airbag. That's the metal clips you're aiming for through the hole, and the screwdriver just pushes against them. They squeeze inwards, releasing them from these catches. Okay, right, what I'm going to do next is disconnect these wires and then undo this nut here and remove the steering wheel. Okay, airbag removed. I disconnected this wire here and here, simple little push-in plug. Took the 19mm off here, and this should just perfect. Okay, yeah, we down to the clock spring unit, so we have to take the cowling off, the stalks remove, and then we can continue with getting that off. So to take this bottom cowling off, there's a screw in here, and one down here. 3 Phillips screws. So I've removed the lower cowling, pushed the upper cowling up. Now with these stalks, they need to come off. There's a tab here and there's one at the bottom as well. And you squeeze them together, same with the wiper stalk. You squeeze them together and then they literally slide out like that. I'll try and do this one at the same time. There we go. So now that's done, we've got 2 screws, one in here, one in there, and there's a little clip, and then this clock spring unit should come off. So 2 screws out. Clip I was on about, it's just on the back here. Push that down, and there we are. There's a wire block to unplug here on the back of it, so undo those and then you can switch over to your new clock spring unit. So there we are, new clock spring unit fitted, screwed it in. Now what you'll notice with these genuine Nissan ones, there's a little plastic block here which you need to take off before attaching the steering wheel, otherwise nothing's going to turn. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.